Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic PIP installation and PYPI, that is package indexing. The package indexes means the ready-madely Python will support large number of ready-made libraries. We simply integrate in our application, which we are going to be implementing in real-time scenarios, like a plug and play. We download that package and plug it in your application, use the direct library and have a complete functionality of that particular package index. How it is? Watch the video session.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you about PYPI and PIP in Python languages. The Python programming language, there is a group of packages we can ready-madely, which are available and we can invoke ready-madely within our Python project. Python is having so many modules like Excel importing and visualizing and graphs and sending, like in a package if you want to integrate with the sending an SMS. The services, if you are available with the SMS in gateway, you have a ready-made package is there how to construct a message to send an SMS. Those type of wonderful and beautification modules and packages are readily available with the manner of libraries. With this, by using PYPI indexes, we can find out to open a Google and find pypi.org. pypi.org and hit enter. You will find a bunch of which are available latest packages. We find here install and publish Python packages with the Python package index. These are many packages which are available, as you have to choose which will suits you as your requirement of the development. Now I'm going to show you one example package which is called OpenPyXL. Type OPEN OpenPyXL and hit enter. This is the package for importing and exporting an Excel sheets with the Python project to normal our Excel Microsoft supporting Excel MS Office. We can call it as Microsoft Office document of Excel spreadsheet. Now see here in OpenPyXL we have a package. So many packages are available here. It's date wise, it's a relevant order wise, it will be shows here. And if you choose a Python library to read write Excel 2010 XLSX and XLSM file extensions, this is the 3.0.3 version. If you hit a click there, it will opens like this, and it will show you the guide you how to involve and invoke this to install in particular your project. Now simply using PIP install OpenXL. PIP is a tool which is the packages or modules to be installed and acquiring from the Python repository, and it will get from that Python repository to install in your project behalf of yourself. Such a beautification is available in Python that all the functionalities and all the downloading and installing by using the PIP, the PyCharm IDE will take care. Alright, simply if you hit this command in terminal point, it will be installed in your system. Now we will see PIP install OpenPyXL. Open PyCharm and go to the Python console. There is a console window here in the down after the terminal, and there you have to take in a Python console and hit here. Yes, in terminal also you can use this command. Yeah, and now here you can use the PIP. What you have find here, let's see, PIP install OpenPyXL. PIP space install space OpenPyXL. Okay, now see here PIP space install. What is the keyword of a package? OpenPyXL. Okay, these are the case sensitive. You have to strictly enter it. Now see, find out this package will be find out first. Now collecting the OpenPyXL is the using cache of the path of the file. It will be identified and it will collect behalf of us. All right, now the collection is completed. Now it's going to be an installing the collection of the package over there. Now you land here. Yep. Setup.py. It's instantiated to initializing and running the setup.py. Once the package is successfully installed, it will show you a message successfully installed with this version. Have you seen here? Is the successfully the Excel sheet of the spreadsheet, like Excel package is installed in this particular package of our Python project. Now we can see where it is available in the installation of the package. Once the package is installed, we have to find out in our project file here on external libraries. On PyCharm IDE, you will find here on external libraries, expand this one, and once you have to expand this arrow, here you will identify site packages. Expand to site packages folder. Now see here, drag it. Yeah, you will find here under the site packages, find the name of the package, it will be shown. This one. Open PyXL and expand this. All the classes, we can say that simply the modules and classes, like what we can call it as a packages which are available within that particular library. Have you seen here the packages for cell reading and writing, charts, the accessing of the charts and chart sheets, these many formulas, pivot table, styles, everything what available in the library, it will be displayed here. And we have in a sessions how to handle these packages and how to invoke to our regular programs and all. This is the basic ideology by using PyPI and PIP installations in Python project.
I hope it will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, if any required regarding this tutorial, watch the below description where my contact details are available. Thank you.